Hi, welcome back to Electronica 2024. I'm joined this afternoon by Karl from Peak Production. How you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
Good. How's the show going?
It's been very good.
Yeah, you've been walking around a lot, seeing a lot of customers and things like that?
A lot of suppliers as well, and obviously seeing what's new and innovative. So
Yeah.
always say, there's no point you can look on Google and you can find what you want to look for, but the point of coming to the show is to look around and find the things I don't know about, and then that we can obviously look at integrating that into future products for future problems that our customers are going to bring to us.
Great. Tell me a little bit about Peak Production Group. Tell me what they get involved with and what's coming up for them.
Okay, so there's two parts to the business. There's Peak Test, so they focus on the test probes, and they're supplying to everyone, then making sure they have the latest test probes and coming up with new solutions for customers from there. And then there's Peak Production, and we focus on test systems and test solutions. So all fully custom. So the customer brings us their problem or their issue as to what they want resolving, and then we look at how we can come at them with a solution to resolve that then.
Right. And tell me, with regards to maybe the UK market at the moment, how's that going? Is it have you seen it improving lately, or how's it? How do you feel?
Yeah, this year's been a little bit flat, but then there's been a lot of customer requests and RFQs, etc.
Yeah.
And now we're starting to see the pickup now in the market. Now we're starting to see the increase in growth, and we're seeing those orders start to come in now. So we had a lot of work to get through this year. That was kind of from previous year's orders, and then we're looking into next year now, and there's a lot of work now we need to do now from the orders we're starting to receive now. So it feels like a bit of a wave to us coming, but it's a good wave to have coming to us then. So.
Great stuff. Particularly, I would imagine in defence and aerospace, they're probably two areas that are very strong for you at the moment.
Yeah, certainly aerospace was obviously through COVID.
Yeah.
There was a turn down in the market there where they weren't spending because people weren't flying.
Yeah.
And now you're seeing the flight numbers come back up to pre-COVID levels.
Yeah.
And now we're seeing that on the back of that now we're seeing the aerospace industries now starting to reinvest and then start looking at the next products now. A lot of electronic stuff coming through in the aerospace industry, obviously with the EV and reducing emissions. Yeah. So we're seeing a lot of that coming through as well.
Yeah. So quite an exciting time then at the moment.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Yeah. Right, so tell me about the Tempest aircraft program that you work with at the moment.
Okay, so Tempest is the new aircraft program that's going to replace Eurofighter in the next few years.
Right.
So this was something that you've been seeing lots of things on the news.
Yeah.
It's been talked about, but now we're starting to see the companies we work with. They're putting teams together now to actually start to develop the program. Yeah. So we're looking forward. Then it's all in the initial stages at the moment, but that's starting to grow. So we're seeing maybe in 5 years' time we're going to start to see that come through to us now. But there's initial work going on now and the groundwork to see those programs through in the future then.
So moving forward then, just looking ahead sort of like 5-10 years down the line, you're saying that the aerospace industry is one of those that's going to be really moving really quickly, and
the investment you've seen in that area, obviously various companies that are obviously invested in that, from that really you see that is still. There's a lot of investment from the government coming there. On the Tempest program, you've got Japan involved, you've got Spain involved.
Right, okay.
And you're seeing the various companies we work with, they're putting together teams now to see that. And that is going to be going over the next 5 to 10 years. Obviously, there's in the news as well, there's a GDP spend increase on defence. So you're obviously seeing that's going to start filtering through now to the companies we're dealing with then.
Yeah. Well, it sounds like you're going to have an incredibly few busy years ahead of you.
Yeah, I hope so. So it's looking really, very, really, very rosy at the moment. So we're very happy.
Great stuff. Well, I hope to see you back in a couple of years' time.
Yep.
When you've got your Ferrari outside and all the rest of it.
Or maybe an Aston Martin.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, there you go. Fine British.
Indeed.
Anyway. All right. That's great. Thanks a lot, Karl.
All right. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.